Veganism and sports? As athletes continue to explore tailored nutrition strategies, veganism has emerged as a viable and increasingly popular option. While adopting a plant-based diet may not necessarily enhance athletic performance, recent research indicates it certainly doesn't hinder it. A well-considered vegetarian diet can fulfill an athlete's caloric and nutrient needs. However, achieving this requires a serious commitment to mindful eating and careful planning. One common trap is to simply remove animal products from the diet without identifying adequate substitutes. This can lead to a diet that is rich in saturated fats, sugars, and refined carbohydrates, while being deficient in protein, iron, zinc, and calcium. Such dietary imbalance places athletes at an increased risk of conditions like iron deficiency anemia, a compromised immune system, and in the case of women, menstrual irregularities that could lead to stress fractures and early onset of osteoporosis. For some, particularly young female athletes grappling with body image issues, vegetarianism can sometimes serve as a cover for unnecessary food restrictions. Different types of vegetarians face distinct challenges. Semi-vegetarians and vegetarians who consume dairy and eggs generally meet their protein, calcium, and vitamin B12 needs, but find it challenging to acquire sufficient zinc and iron. Vegans who avoid all animal-derived products are at a higher risk for nutrient deficiencies. Even athletes who focus excessively on carb-heavy side dishes run the risk of nutrient imbalance, particularly in protein, iron, and zinc. Athletes can get the essential amino acids from plant-based sources by consuming a diverse array of plant proteins throughout the day. Particularly for endurance athletes, consuming adequate calories is essential to maintain a healthy weight and to ensure that protein is used for repair and growth, rather than as an energy source. Foods like soy products and legumes are particularly useful as they offer high-quality plant protein. For those who are not strictly vegan, eggs and dairy also provide high-quality protein options. As for essential minerals like iron and zinc, vegetarian athletes must be proactive in incorporating suitable plant-based sources in their diet, especially since animal-based sources are more readily absorbed by the body. Foods like legumes, whole grains, and fortified cereals can offer significant quantities of these minerals. Non-dairy consuming athletes should seek out calcium-fortified alternatives, like fortified orange juice or soy products. Vitamin B12, mostly found in animal products, presents a challenge. Although some foods like sea vegetables and certain fermented products are often cited as sources of vitamin B12, the form in which it exists is not readily absorbed by the human body. The alternative is to rely on fortified foods or to take a multivitamin supplement.